Good. I can tell you something about the way she eats. You okay? Give me that chicken. Please? I know, that one's hot, baby. That one's hot.
That's why I want it.
Is that for me or for you?
Todos son feos.
Gracias.
Ni uno. Ni los que están visitando.
Okay.
Come on, let's start.
Oh, no. Who, me or you? Oh. But I say, you know I'm not. My mouth. Please. Here, you got a little thing hanging out there.
Ese yo le era guapo. Es guapo, dile. Pero a ti te gustan los viejos, ¿no? Siempre. ¿Tú lo viste? Lo tenía bien largo, estaba con la mujer de
Oh.
Ya está gorda. Y ya está lindo. Está lindo ahí.
I'm full. I don't eat a whole.
Qué raro.
I don't eat a whole thing.
Te sabe que todavía está casado.
Oh, you saw that, right? I'm done.
Un nene.
Alright. My last chicken.
Chicken. Captain service. Chicken.
I'm done.
I haven't called everything chicken.
Me too. I don't say pork chop or
Just chicken.
chicken. Chicken. How much acid?
I like Coke better on top too.
Low sodium. The high sodium.
Mr. Drake, to the reading room. Those parents in orientation, thank you very much. I'll be down in a couple minutes.
Imagine me choking on some hot sauce.
Oh.